Como você está rindo, on the sand of a time. Examples on the sand of a time. Examples on the sand of a time so that others will be benefited. So that others will be benefited by it. Stanza 8. I would say stanza 8. In this stanza, with HW Longfellow. In this stanza, with HW Longfellow, H.W. Longfellow discusses about discusses about discusses about discusses about importance of good examples. The importance of good examples. As inspiration. As inspiration. INSPIRATION. Inspiration to achieve success. To achieve success. According to him, in this world, according to him, in this world, many will come after us. Many will come after us. Who might face, who might, MIGHT, who might face similar problems. Who might face, FACE, face similar problems as we have faced. As we have faced. As we have faced FACET. At that time, our good examples, or footprints, good examples or footprints will guide them and come to their use. And the 9, last one. At last, the poet advises the people, advises the people to wake up, WAKE, wake up their spirits, to wake up their spirits. Good stuff. They must continue working as a ceaseless process. Ceaseless. 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 Ceaseless means effort. Ceaseless process. So, so we should achieve. So we should achieve more. We should achieve more. Achieve. We should achieve more and pursue for more success. Pursue for more success. Pursue. Pursue for more success. We should learn. We should learn. We should learn. L-E-A-R-N. We should learn to labor hard. To labor hard. Wait patiently. And wait patiently. Patience. Patiently. Patiently. Wait patiently for the results. Patiently for the result. If our labor is perfect, the result will be perfect too. Will be perfect too. Last good line let me pele. This poem is life. Islam life. Islam of life provides a moral lesson. Provides a moral lesson. Moral lesson. Moral. Cutting together. This poem, Islam of life. Cutting the Islam of life provides 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 a moral lesson relating to life and gives pleasure 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 to the millions of readers Friends, we are getting towards the conclusion of the Psalm of Life. Very nice chapter. Nice clarification. There are କିଛି problem ଥିବ କାରଣ ଟିକେ ପିଲେ ଅନଲାଇନ କ୍ଲାସ ରେ problem ବାବଦରେ ରହିବ ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ଏଠି ଯୋଉଟା ପ୍ରୋନାଉନ୍ସ କରୁଛେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଅନଲାଇନ ରେ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ଟିକେ ଅଲଗା ପ୍ରକାର ବହୁତ ଗୁଡା ସ୍ପେଲିଂ ରେ ଏରର ଆସୁଛି ତେଣୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇନ ସବୁ ସୁବିଲା ତ ନହେଲେ ଡିଟେଲ୍ସ ପଚାରିବ କାରଣ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଖାଲି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କେଚ କଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଖାଲି ରିଡ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ରିଲେଟିଭ ଟୁ ଦ ଲେସନ ହେଲା अच्छा so far as the Psalm of Life is concerned Suman, what is your view? Take 2 minutes relating to Psalm of Life. What you can say? Very nice chapter, and towards the last we have quoted. But a moral lesson for the millions of readers. But it gives pleasure to the millions of readers. Why it is a pleasure? So far as the viewpoint is concerned. Manona, what do you know about sum of life? Say, what you are thinking that is perfect and real. Say, related to sum of life. And what is your viewpoint related to sum of life? Say, speak loudly or I will ask a generation to provide the microphone. That is also available here for us. Say, we have learned it. We have taken 3 classes. I think perhaps the longest class of this year related to the topic. Otherwise, so many questions are there, so many spellings are there. बहुत गुड़ा स्पेलिंग भी कहो दूर भटका कहो क्या दी थी तो हम भाभी थे बारंबार स्पेलिंग रखी थी बहुत बड़ा लेक्चर कहीं हुआ एटलीस्ट one line if you speak one line you can say 100 lines in your future. Okay, thereafter आपको 3 लाइन पहले सुनो ना ये फ्रेंड spoke 3 lines. To keep friendship, you must have to say at least 3 lines. Say it. Sit down, pal. Very nice, huh? Sit down. Hello, what's your name? You go like me. What is the gist related to charm of life? At least one sentence. Your friends told at least 3 lines each, and you say one line. You can say, huh? Honest. कौन से प्लेस प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैरी करी होती है टीचर कहे से प्रकार प्रोनाउंसिएशन करे बोलो बोलो ठीक है कि तो साइकिल चले तो मत पड़ी और कितना एक बना पड़ी बोलो चल दिखा अब हमने कल वो सेंटेंस रिलेटेड टू सम ऑफ लाइफ हाउ लाइफ हेल्प्स अस and we are actually composing poems तो गोटे लाइन को 10 लाइन कहि पर हम प्रिपेयर चैप्टर की गोटे लाइन का ईश्वरी stand and say then very nice related to kalam another 2 lines अगले लाइन का about the you told about APJ Abdul Kalam from your own point of view. What is life from the present scenario to the future? Present time. Life ought to be just for present time. Okay, Supriya, you say what is life according to Psalm of life? अरे कि डजंट मैटर राइट योर नाम भूल हो कि ठीक हो कि कहबा माने भूल हो ठीक हो कोन हला हम कोन भूल कहले हम नोबेल प्राइज हमको मिलिबो तो से कहले से गोटे जा कहले गोटे लाइन कर एटलीस्ट गोटे लाइन कर फ्रॉम योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एटलीस्ट तो कहि पारे ये सम ऑफ लाइफ वाज रिटन बाय इज रिटन बाय एक शब्द लाइन कहलो इट गिव्स अ मोरल लेसन फॉर द मिलियन लेवल्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड लेकिन हमें कहि परिबा अब बस कहले कहलो आई कहले मा कोना कोन what is the gist at least you so far as sum of life is concerned how we can justify life is someone कहलो ये कहले कथा ऑप्शन दिले बोली हमें समस्त मुका कहले किछि ना एटलीस्ट sum of life is composed by whom ये शब्द नाम कहलो it provides a moral lesson to make life sublime जो सबବେଳେ कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल को डेवलप कर सो फar as English is concerned and it is my advice don't try to speak in Odia so far as English class is concerned ଯେତେବେଳେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଇଂଲିଶ କ୍ଲାସ ଅଛି ଭୁଲ ଆଉ ଠିକ ଏଠି ଓଡିଆ ଜମା ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଉଠାନା ଇଂଲିଶ ରେ କୁହ ତମେ ଯୋଉ ସିବିଏସଇ ପିଲା ଥିବ ଗୋଟେ ମୋରାଲ ଲେସନ ଥିଲା ସିବିଏସଇ ପିଲା ମାନେ ଜାଣିଥିବ ଗୋଟେ ଚଢେଇ କଣ କରୁଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ କୋରଡ ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ ମା ଚଢେଇ ଥିଲା ତାର ପିଲା ପିଲା ମାନେ ଥିଲେ ମା ଚଢେଇ କଣ କଲା ଗୋଟେ ପରେ ଗୋଟେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଉଡିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲେ ସେ ଯାଇ ସମୁଦ୍ର ଭିତରୁ କଣ କଲେ ମାଛ ଧରିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ୱାନ୍ ଯିଏ ଥିଲା ହଁ जो लास्ट वन जे दिला से खाली देखिबो ताको सब बेले आडी समस्त माछ खाइया को देबे गोटे दिन ताको केही सपोर्ट करलेनी से आपे आपे कोन कला कहला मु जेतो प्रबल भोक होला से कहला मु डेई पट करोड़ कारण नई भीतर समुद्र भीतर बुडी गिरी मारे किंतु लास्ट को एटलीस्ट मु किछि मोर कोन करबी ना हम बेटा को मेंटेन करेई से दिन तारे पटे से प्रेशर गाडेला बहुत बढ़िया उठी परला सब जिंस रे कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल दरकार आ सौम्य कहलो बाबा भूल हो ठीक हो भय करना माटिया मोर ठाकुर करे ना पूजा करती स्मरण करी दो हां सम ऑफ लाइफ वन is written by H.W. Longfellow. H.W. Longfellow. H.W. Longfellow मन में कहलो it provides a moral lesson how to make life sublime. कहलो it provides a moral lesson to make life sublime. ये असली अमीर चिड़ा मन पड़ो किसी मन पड़ो जे मु ताको कहली समझी Charm of Life is a fine poem of a plus two second year arts. Of a plus two second year arts called Bhula. It gives us a moral lesson how to make life sublime. तो ए अमर ना कौन अमर प्रधान की प्रधान कहलो अमर to make our future colorful. So to make our future colorful, what on what time we will have to focus on? Present. If present would be subject according to time management. It would give a certain type of a benediction that is pleasure. First, अगर तो पहले हम लोग छोटे को हाँ लंपेलो हाँ एतर गोटे कहउछ माने आर लाइन के तू पांच लाइन कहबू क कि कॉन्फिडेंस इज वाइटल हाँ provide lesson how to make life supply बाबा कहलो we must have to face the challenges of sorrow as well as the improbability of enjoyment to make life supply ठीक है बसी को ये जो कोल्डिंग के प्रॉब्लम होते हैं ऐसे हाँ if our labor is perfect then reward would be similar to that so our labor would be honest would be estimated so for us the exigency of a time is concerned time manipulation time management and time perfect schedule these are succession life hello Basiko life is a long process students what he says so we must have to maintain consistency to ceaseless effort हम एफर्ट कंटिन्यूअसली रहिबा दरकार हम एफर्ट ऑफ एंड ऑन रहिबा दरकार जेतु हम लर्निंग ट्री रे एडमिशन करिचे हमर कंटिन्यूटी रहिबा दरकार आ 3-4 मास गला पर हमको के कहबे ना काहे क्लास का आसीना ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड माय पॉइंट जति हम रेगुलरिटी मेंटेन करबा तले को क्लास होची रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस सुनिबा ना नहीं तो हम पई वर्तमान जति टीचर माने रेगुलर आसी करूछंती इंस्टीट्यूट जति रेगुलर खोला होची ठीक है वर्षा हो जहाँ भी हो यदि मोर अचीवमेंट करिवार अछि खरा वर्षा शीत तो रहिबो सब सीजन रे अछि ना किछि क्वालिटी आ कोन आमी शीत दिन कहबे काहे कि शीत होउची वर्षा दिन कहबे काहे कि वर्षा होउची खरा दिन कहबे काहे कि खरा होउची इट इज लाइफ एंड इट इज नथिंग बट सामोर बाबा सत्य फ्रॉम योर ओन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू यू कैन से very nice and you come here you no you come here you are vegetarian medicine not you must also contact to clean your food come and say take listen Gaurav use the best of time then actually he was absent in the class then he is telling from his own point of view listen from your friend try to be confident what I know I will speak it may be right or wrong it doesn't matter inspirational according to take listen two sides of human are there in the society one is lazy man another is man of action so you performs labor lazy man laborious man then okay thanks a lot Amsuman you come and say be quick good evening all good evening your friend is telling good evening you must have to responses very nice first of all thank you sir for giving me this opportunity to express this poem in front of my dearest friends very nice the storm of life is composed by H.W. Longfellow. It is an inspirational poem. The poem tells us that life is not an empty dream. It is not only sadness or only happiness. It is the combination of both. The in the spiritual book of Hinduism, that is Srimad Bhagavad Gita, he used to say that life is the combination of both. And those people who know this thing, they have become the noble one. Very nice. So the poet advises us to focus on the present and do the noble thing, so that the entire world would remember us for a long period of time. Vikram, come and say.
Something about a Sam of Life. The poem A Sam of Life is written by S.W. Longfellow. In this poem, the poet said that life is not all about enjoyment. It is an action which constitutes the essence of life. In this poem, the poet tells us that it is not about stress and happiness. But as Ansuman said, that it is a combination of both. And Longfellow also brings a contrast between art and life, which means that the creation of beauty is deathless, but life is temporary. So we should not return.
So many students are saying you are a student of the English medium for us. Indian Gupta. That is the ingenuity. And you must be glad, students, to know I have started civil services in India. But Bhubaneswar, and you must be going from my status. And 16 plus the first year students are there. BJP and RD. Almost all are CBSE and ICSE students. Almost all are CBSE, ICSE students. And my view is there. केवळ कोण खाली इंग्लिश मीडियम केलं तो